Hi, my name is Harry Sandoval. I'm the Natural Resource Manager for the Riverside County Habitat Conservation Agency. We carry out restorations here at the RCHCA for all the native species that are around here. Previously, all these lands that the Lake Matthews Reserve is on used to be agricultural lands. There used to be a lot of citrus growing in the area, lots of oranges, kiwi, and other citrus fruits. Over time, all that citrus was removed, and we've been in the process of restoring the lands for Stephens Kangaroo Rat and other species as well. We use a variety of tools to restore the land. Sometimes we use fire, we use herbicide to control weeds, and sometimes we use grazing from livestock such as sheep. When we use fire, we use controlled burns. Now, controlled burns are fires that we have a lot of control over. We make sure that they're safe for people and all the environment around us. We actually have firefighters out here lighting the fires and making sure it doesn't get out of control.
Fire does create a lot of air pollution, and so we're limited on the amount of area that we can perform a prescribed burn on, usually around 250 acres or so. Grazing is what we prefer. We can do it over a large area. It doesn't impact air quality, and it's very sensitive to the environment. And finally, we have mowing. We don't mow how your parents or your gardeners or whoever mows your own lawn. We mow in a different fashion. We come out several times a year, about monthly starting in January, and we mow just the very top of the grass in order to clip the seed head so that seed doesn't fall down on the ground and resprout next year. And we do it in a fashion where we keep it much, much higher. And that way the Stephens Kangaroo Rat can go through these grasses, and each year there's less and less grass available to hinder their movements throughout their habitat.
Once we have a clear landscape, then we go ahead and replant. And we usually put out a lot of seed and make sure that it comes up over the next few years. So after we plant everything, we make sure that all the plants that should be there are there, and all the ones that aren't are gone. Then we monitor and make sure that all our species that should be there are there as well. We do that forever, making sure that everything stays in balance.